Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to load all these great applications on your ONN TV. But today I'm going to show you a little special app that is really new, that kind of is an app for some things that are currently not working now. And this app is really good. And not only that, you're going to see other 62 applications. I categorize them for you so you guys can easily get them in a very easy step. And this is probably the fastest way to fully load your ONN 4K or any Android TV device. So here I am on my Android TV device on 4K specifically, works on the Plus as well. I'm going to go to apps and you want to search in here, click inside and search for the following application. So all we have to do is search for this application. Just like that. Now once you search for it, hit the hourglass. And it should come up, if you're on Android TV, a little application looking like this. Super simple. We can click on it. And now we can press the install button. You'll see 5.0 ratings here. And install our application. Okay? Now once it installs, it's super simple. All we have to do is going to press the open button. And you can basically download any type of codes. Now if you want a full list of codes, I'll drop a barcode here on the screen and you can get some codes here, and that also gets you a lot of stuff. But today's method, we're going to use our special little wizard. Super easy to do, and that's going to keep our ONN 4K super loaded. Okay, let's click in the code here, and in the code section, all you want to do is put in the code 1. Once you put in the code number 1, press the forward arrow, and what it does, it goes automatically and tries to get the wizard. What is the advantage of our little application over other applications? Well, you fully scan all the codes. Any code you put in gets fully automatically scanned. So we already scanned this, it passed. I'm going to press the download button. What it does, it starts to download our wizard instantly. Now we can just press install once it downloads and press the settings and allow our application to install files. That's it. Now, this pops up, we can press install on our wizard. Super simple. When our wizard installs, simply press the open button, and this is going to be super straightforward. When the wizard installs, it looks something like this. Now, make sure you're plugged into the wall adapter on your ONN 4K, which I am. Okay, now it's going to say we're on ONN TV Box, and then press the continue button. Now it's going to guide us for some steps. Step number 1, open Play Store, tap your profile, tap Play Protect, turn off Scan Apps with Play Protect, turn off to confirm, then press back. Let's do that. Open Play Store, let's click on that. You see we're in the Play Store. Now let's go here to our profile icon, click in there and click on Play Protect right here and make sure we flick it to the off position and turn off. This will allow us to install third-party apps. Now once we do that, simply press the backward arrow, press the backward arrow, and press the backward arrow and press the backward arrow again. This takes us back to the wizard and we have to do step 2 out of 2. Tap open settings below, turn on allow from the source, press back. Open settings. Now turn the wizard to allow from our source and press the back, and the wizard proceeds to the next step. We're now fully set up, fully unlocked for third-party apps, and we can install any application. Okay, press continue, make sure you have enough space. Now it's going to take us to the VPN check status. Now on this menu, super simple. All we have to do is press that IP vanish button here. You can use the other one as well, but I recommend for our setup today to use IP vanish. And I'll explain why. Scan this barcode right here, and you're going to get more than 80% off. So what does that mean? You're going to be able to get all these applications, get all this content that's filtered out, and this application works best with a VPN. Without a VPN, there's just not much stuff that's working. Very rarely you're going to get any content. So make sure you scan this barcode with either your iPhone or your Android phone. You can scan this barcode and that's going to take you to a landing page. Now I want to be very transparent. On that landing page, you're going to be able to sign up for a package with IP Vanish. Now you're going to get 80% off with this barcode or the link in the pinned comment or description, which all takes you to the same place. What do I mean by 80% off? Well, it means it's going to cost you $2 and change to get access. I negotiated a deal with them to give you guys more than 80% off through the special barcode and the link in the pinned comment description. Now, when you're on that landing page, simply provide your email address, sign up, create a password, sign up for your package. Then you're going to receive an email from IPVanish, confirm your email account, and you'll be ready to log in. Super easy to do. Pause the video if you need to get that done, and then continue watching the video on how to proceed to set up the servers in IPVanish to make everything work beautifully, okay? Now, I want to mention you only need one account for unlimited apps and unlimited devices, and this works for ONN 4K, Google Streamers, Fire Sticks, Android TV boxes, MacBooks, PCs, Android phones, iPhones, iPads, whatever device you have, you can use one account all across your devices. It's a great, great deal, so take care of that, okay? Now, pause the video if you need to take care of that, and then once you do that, say, I've signed up and continue. Since I have an account, I'm going to press I've signed up, continue. I'm going to say yes, continue. I'm going to click on it. Now it's going to take us to the store to get IPVanish. Press the install button, and that's going to download and install our VPN. Here we are. Once it installs, all we have to do now is just open it up. So super simple. Here we are. Press open. Now the VPN is going to open up. All we have to do is press that login button right there, okay? Now on this screen, remember we got that email signed up and we signed up with our email and password on that page. Now if you haven't done it yet, I'll put the barcode for this discount right here again. More than 80% off cup of coffee. You're just kind of watching the video and kind of still thinking about it. Please take the opportunity to sign up. It's $2 and change, cup of coffee, and this will get you functioning in this app and 62 other applications, full access to everything, okay? I'm going to log into mine. You just put in your email, put in your password, press the login button, and I'll see you on the next step to show you how to set up the servers. So when you log into your account, it'll look exactly the same. Follow the steps once you log in by hitting the gear icon. Now from here, say connect on Android Startup, flick it on. Now go here, auto connect on IPVanish launch, flick it to the on position. VPN protocol, make sure you select WireGuard, click back, go to location, and from here, country, scroll all the way to the United States. It doesn't matter where in the world you are, you want to scroll all the way to the United States, and now once you're on United States, you want to click on it, say favorite United States, it's going to put a star, click on it again, and say connect to United States. Now when you do this, it's going to pop up, you want to press OK on the screen right there, and that's going to connect, just like that. Okay, we're done. Now, press the home button, and you ask me now, well, NewTek, what is the next steps? Like you told me to get some apps here. You know, I've loaded our browser, which we can put in codes. I loaded the wizard. I got the IPVanish. What do I do now? Super simple. It's like magic, and I'll show you. That's why it's called the wizard, because it's truly game-changing and it's magical. Just click on the wizard again. And what happens? The wizard starts thinking, hey, what's going on here? We're connected, we're secure. We can now load everything. So now we can press the continue button when we go back to the wizard. Press continue. Now we have a store, three stores. I recommend this one. These stores, the code is Firestick if you want to use them. They're still active, but I recommend this one. So let's click on the first store. And what you'll notice, it'll start to install the store. The little line will start running down here. And then it's going to pop up and ask us to install it. Just press the install button, and that installs our store. Now, the next step, we press the continue button. Now, very important, you want to scan this barcode right here, and this is absolutely free. There's nothing else to sign up for except the VPN. 100% free, costs $0 and 0.0 cents. And what is this hocus pocus you're seeing here? Well, you can scan this with your iPhone or Android phone, whatever phone you use. Or you can just pop in your email right here and join the NewTek Club. And you ask me, why would I join your silly email list, NewTek? Why do I need to be on that? Why do I need to get emails from you? Well, first of all, you're going to get stuff that nobody else ever gets. Outside of any platform that you're watching this video on, a special access that costs nothing. It's only for my subscribers and only for my fans. I'm building the biggest subscriber list in history for this streaming kind of stuff. You're going to be on there, you're going to get updates, you're going to get messages, you're going to get things that are happening. It's going to be incredible. Anybody on this NewTek list and NewTek Club will always stay up to date and get so much more content and so much more information. Okay? Easy to get, Easy to do, super easy to take care of that, okay? Now, highly recommend it. It's absolutely free. Join the New Tech Club and you'll find content that you haven't seen before. There's special exclusive content, okay? So I'm going to say no thanks. I don't want to get on my own list. There's absolutely no point to get onto my own list and, you know, send myself my own emails. So make sure you get on that. Now, once you're done and join the New Tech Club, you can say skip, I'm done, unless you want to install the other stores. It's going to test some things, the connection, speed, all that stuff. And then press continue, and these are some basic troubleshooting steps. If you run into issues, continue to home, and the wizard is here. We're fully running and we're fully up to speed, and we got free space on our device. We're fully protected and we're good for 4K content, okay? And we got our best stores running and always have tips here. Press the home button, and now let's open up our store just by clicking on it. And now press the open settings here and simply just turn the permissions on again. That's how simple it is. Click back, and that's going to take you now into my store. If you haven't joined the New Tech Club, please do so. It's going to pop up and ask you again. Okay, close the pop-ups if you're not interested, and then you'll have a bunch of categories at the top. You can click through any categories you wish here, and you can get any applications. And today's app I'm going to show you, we're going to install this one, but there's many other great applications which work really amazingly well and are great replacements for what's happening. All you have to do is just click on the app, and I'll show you how it installs the app. So easy and simple, and it just installs it. We press the install button and it's done. It's that easy, and all the apps are updated automatically in the store. It's going to ask you once after the install it. If you're on the New Tech Club, make sure you get on there. I can't stress it more harder enough than this. Is very important, okay? No thanks, and because I'm already on there. And get any of these applications are super good, and you're going to get so much content. If you want other pieces of content, you can simply just go through any categories you want, and you can get all that. You can read some information and stuff like that. Really, really incredible. You can also go to trending section and see which apps are trending. What are people actually downloading? This will tell you trending apps, okay? Super simple, super easy to do, fully loaded. The app will show up here, and I'll show you. You can go back to our store at any time. Through this entire process, my VPN was connected. I was fully anonymous. I was fully protected. Make sure you take care of that protection. Very, very important. It's only $2 and change a cup of coffee. Like I said, through this special barcode here or the link in the pinned comment description. Unlimited devices, gives me full access to the links, gives me full access to streaming, to everything that you ever wish. You're going to get good experience with that. That's pretty much it. That's how you load it, and you can get more apps, like I said, going back in. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here with me. I appreciate all your support. Please do these 4 things for me, if possible. Please subscribe to my channel. Very important to get updates, of course, if you subscribe. Also hit the like button, the bell icon to get all that. And if I put any pin locks in these apps or any special codes, please comment below. Anything will help, just like hi, hello, I'm from Wisconsin, I like pizza, whatever you want to comment, because when I put any codes, I'll reply right below this video. That's pretty much it. Also, share your videos with family, friends. I would highly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And I'll see you all in the next video. Have a wonderful, beautiful day, and share it with family and friends. Very important. Share this new process with family and friends. Share the blog, share the New Tech Club, share all this information. Would highly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.